Okay, that's the second police car that flew by here. These streets stay wild. Everyone, welcome to the most positive channel on the face of the earth, Mr. Community. The channel that's dedicated to going around to different homeless camps. We be out here paying the homeless family to collect cans. We have over 300 videos where you can witness that for yourself. I'm about to head to a homeless camp now and try to stay out of the way of all this police action. One across the street, but I don't know if another police car gonna come flying by. Everyone